Yeah, what?
Overweight. Yeah.
Yes.
How much do you weigh?
How much do you weigh? Oh, come on, bro.
Oh, come on, bro. Like 200 something.
200 pounds?
Yeah, like 200 something, I don't know.
Yeah, I need to look up what that is in kg.
What'd you say?
I need to look up what that is in kg.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, what the fuck?
Sorry, we don't use those measurements here.
Yeah, sorry, we do. We're fucking stupid as shit.
Yeah.
I actually don't weigh 200 pounds. I just don't want to tell them how much I actually weigh because then they'll make fun of me because I'm American.
That's okay.
I just tell them how much I weighed in high school.
Do what you gotta do.
This dude's like, are you American? I'm like, yeah? Like, what the fuck? I feel like an animal.
I feel like I'm being judged with every action I make.
They did the stereotypical, you like burgers. That? It's like, come on!
Just say some shit
I didn't know
about
that was real.
them not
My
having
teeth being fucking, yeah. Yo, what's your plan, bro?
How's your free healthcare going for you?
What's up?
Oh, bro, I can tell I'm fucking I shot that Moira and then it was like registered like 8 seconds later.
Oh no, this isn't an Overwatch crew, is it? Tragic.
I just owned that Genji though.
Wait, 200 pounds isn't even that bad.
Yeah, I know, bro.
Wait, how tall are you, man?
6'3".
How tall are you?
Yeah, that's not bad though.
When he's over 6 foot.
When he's not actually 200 pounds. It's like 400 pounds. If I told him I was 400 pounds, he'd be like, fuck. It's like 100.
Why did she res me? Fucking gorgeous.
Wait.
Bro, European players are actually good at the video game though, what the fuck?
Just one game, can't really say that.
I mean, but 90% of video game, the rounds we play are fucking ass.
I don't know if I agree with that. Open your mind.
GG.
Yo, by the way, you're correct, soldier.
Cracked. Oh, fuck this guy.
Yeah, he's too shy to open his microphone.
What did he
What's
say?
happening?
Says too shit to open his microphone or some shit. Alright, can we stay on EU servers?
Well played, everyone.
I don't care.
Yeah. GG's. Good luck.
Bro.
Good luck with life.
Yeah, you too.
American number
You too,
one.
brother.
See you in American servers.
Yeah, see you later, man.
Also.
That was so funny that we said one word, they're like, are you American? And I'm like, ah, shit. What happened? So, hold on. What the fuck? I need to figure out what the fuck happened. How do you change your
I'm pretty
region?
sure it's when you boot up the game. Yeah, region Americas. Go to your Blizzard client. Does it say
Okay, one
region
sec.
Americas underneath?
Yeah, what the fuck?
Well then, it's not us.
But I had 120 ping, so I actually was.
I didn't have any ping.
I had
No, not bad ping.
I had 120 ping.
I didn't see what it was, but I wasn't lagging.
We'll run it again, and if we run to more Europeans, we'll know something's wrong.
I mean, it was just the 2-stack that was saying stuff. No one else said anything, so it could have been them.
Yeah, I did have 120 ping. I'll see what my ping is in I'll see what my ping is in this next game.
Maybe it's because of the
Crossplay.
crossplay. Yeah, I don't know if they did something weird.
Traveling to Volskaya.
Overwatch. See what.
I've got.
region.
Prepare to attack.
Just ask these guys.
I've got 120 ping.
Ask it for an EU.
Yo, what fucking server is this?
No response.
Anyone? Please help me. Hello? Do you know what server we're queued in right now?
Never
Region.
fight for what you believe in.
Help.
We need a moment to ensure all our equations are
Antarctica. I just need to know, is this America or EU?
This is EU. Why are you here?
What the fuck?
What the
out.
fuck?
Get
I
out.
fuck
You're
literally on my
trolling.
is this actually European servers?
Do I sound like I'm American?
No, I'm
Our-
just god damn it.
Our game says we're in America, but this is the second
Well,
game
your
that
game's wrong, isn't it?
I guess that in it. Sorry, I shouldn't have said that. I mean, she said it. She said
it-
in it.
Why are all Europeans so fucking angry?
I know, she was so mad. She was like, do I sound like I'm American?
American? I'm like, I guess not.
Click the globe icon over the
I
play
wasn't cut
button.
out for retirement anyways.
Wait. Okay, go to when you die. Click the globe button and see if it also says Americas next
It
to
did.
up. It does.
Yeah.
Well, I blame everyone else. Obviously, it can't be us. Arkansas.
But they just get upset and they're like, leave. You don't belong here.
Of
I mean, I
course they
doubt
don't
they're
want
being
Americans, dude. What
serious.
did you think?
I doubt they're being serious. They're probably not actually like, get the fuck out of here. But
Am I being punished?
let's reboot and let me party
I don't
later,
wanna
and then we'll
reboot,
try
though.
it. We'll just take a sec.
I want to stay in EU.
Yeah, that's true. It's fine.
Alright, one more EU game and then I'll try to fix it.
But I thought you said they were good.
Yeah, the other team was good.
Wait, it says your game progress is tied to your region, so it doesn't even make sense. We would be level 0. Blizzard's website literally says your progress is tied to your region, so if you play in a different region, your
Blizzard sucks,
progress
Ellie.
isn't saved. Yet somehow here I am in the EU.
Like when I click on the globe, it literally says America. Like it's highlighted as Americas.
Yeah, and it says below from me too.
Yeah, region Americas.
No, just vibing, you know. Oh. Okay, so specifically for Overwatch, the game places you in the best match based on your ping? No way. Then why is that option there?
Yo, is this EU servers?
I feel like I'm being trolled. There's only one person in the chat. He's like, what the fuck? It's weird because, like, I'm not lagging at all.
I'm not. It's 120 ping's not crazy bad. Bro, I think we're still in EU servers.
You still have ping? My FPS counter is gone
Yo,
too.
weird question. Is this EU servers?
Yeah.
God fucking damn it! Thank you. Thank you.
Overwatch putting us in EU server. Overwatch keeps putting me in EU server. 2 years ago. Oh no. This guy literally says, that's impossible. Did you set your region to Americas? Well, clearly not impossible, bro. Before starting the fucking game, there's an option that allows you to pick the region. Dude. Why are people so unhelpful? Oh, wait. Once you're in a game, press Control Shift N, and it'll tell you your region.
Prepare for battle.
Control Shift N.
Select your hero.
CDG1. That's Paris. We're in the Paris servers. Charles de Gaulle Airport, Paris. Holy shit. That's so funny. Let's just ask Extremity. Yo, per chance. Oops, sorry caps.
Starting over from the beginning.
Have you guys been on EU servers? The game has forced us to play on EU, won't let us change. I don't think, how would we tell? He says servers have changed, don't match you to what thinks is best. A lot of people have. They said that you have bad ping. Also, it can change based on your skill? No shot.
Oh, there's
Just
the answer.
better.
Darian's just too good.
I'm just better, so it puts me in EU.
If the EU servers have higher skilled players and it thinks you should be fighting them, it'll switch you to it. That's what he's saying. I guess that could make sense. Alright. I'm gonna join a match just to see what it says my server is. Control Shift N.
Select
I
your
am
hero.
still in the wrong server. Alright. Let me know.
Let's see what I'm in.
Let me know what it says when you get in. Just do Control Shift N.
No, it's you.
Does it say CD?
I've got I've got 50 ping. This is.
What does it say?
Wait, Control Shift N.
Yeah. And the
Where-
first
where-
line in brackets.
ORD1.
No, that's America.
Yeah, you're fucked. It's you.
It is me.
Alright, did you, yeah.
Ellie's so good, she got put with the Europeans.
That or her ping is just so bad in America, which is what we meme said, but that's probably it.
Yeah, I mean,
Do
Okay,
you
right.
have a VPN on, Ellie?
no, I don't even have a VPN installed
Run
on
it.
this PC. Yeah, ORD1 is Chicago.
Yeah.
So weird.
Wait, are you American? What? Yeah, I thought he was trolling me because I'm like, of
I
course I'm
know.
fucking American.
I thought he was Canadian and he was just making a meme because we play
I
with
didn't-
Canadian people. a lot.
I didn't hear that he sounded very European until he he was like yo, this is EU servers. I was like, holy shit, what the fuck? What the fuck?
I just assumed he was French Canadian.